Good afternoon, all dear students. Last time we had learned presbyopia and uses of concave lenses. Today I am going to teach you uses of convex lenses. The first use of convex lenses are first use is simple microscope. In simple microscope we use convex lenses. A convex lens with small focal length produce a virtual erect and bigger image of an object as shown in figure. Such a lens is called simple microscope or magnifying lens. One can get 20 times larger image of object using such microscope. These are used for watch repair, testing precious germs and finding their defect. तो देखो ये जो सिंपल माइक्रोस्कोप है इसमें ये कॉन्वेक्स लेंस का यूज़ किया जाता है और ये जो स्मॉल फोकल लेंथ होता है ये प्रोड्यूस करता है और फिर बाद में जो इमेज होती है वो 20 टाइम्स हमें क्या दिखाई देती है, लार्जर दिखाई, जो भी कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट रहेगा वो कितना 20 टाइम लार्जर दिखाई देगा यूजिंग सच माइक्रोस्कोप. ठीक है. ये जो वॉचेस हम रिपेयर करते हैं नहीं तो टेस्टिंग प्रेसियस जेम्स होते हैं, डिफेक्ट को फाइंड करने के लिए ये माइक्रोस्कोप का यूज़ किया जाता है. तो देखो ऑब्जेक्ट इज़ क्लोज टू द लेंस, सिंपल माइक्रोस्कोप ऑब्जेक्ट इज़ एट द फोकस. तो इधर डायग्राम दिया है, यू शुड ऑब्जर्व दिस डायग्राम. ठीक है. तो देखो अभी कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप बी है. कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप सिंपल माइक्रोस्कोप इज यूज टू ऑब्जर्व स्मॉल साइज ऑब्जेक्ट. जो स्मॉल साइज के ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं उनको देखने के लिए हम सिंपल माइक्रोस्कोप यूज़ करते हैं. बट माइन्यूट ऑब्जेक्ट लाइक ब्लड सेल, सेल ऑफ प्लांट एंड एनिमल and minute living being like bacteria cannot be magnified sufficiently by simple microscope. Compound microscope are used to study this object. तो इतने माइन्यूट होते हैं जो सेल में जो सेल्स ब्लड सेल्स है उनको अगर हमें ऑब्जर्व करना है, प्लांट के सेल्स को अगर ऑब्जर्व करना है और जो माइन्यूट ऑब्जेक्ट है उसको अगर हमें ऑब्जर्व करना है तो ये जो सिंपल माइक्रोस्कोप रहेगा तो उसका यूज़ हम नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है. क्योंकि इसमें जो मैग्निफिकेशन रहेगा वो सफिशिएंट नहीं रहेगा. लेकिन ये ऑब्जेक्ट देखने के लिए हम कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप का क्या कर सकते हैं, यूज़ कर सकते हैं. कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप आर यूज टू स्टडी दिस ऑब्जेक्ट. अ कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप इज मेड ऑफ 2 convex lenses, object and eyepiece. The object has smaller cross sections and smaller focal length. The eyepiece has bigger cross sections. Its focal length is also larger than that of the object. Higher magnification can be obtained by the combined effect of the two lenses. दो lenses के combined effect से हमें higher magnification क्या होता है, मिलता है. इधर कंपाउंड माइक्रोस्कोप जो होता है उसका डायग्राम दिया है, ऑब्जेक्ट, ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस और आईपीस. ठीक है. तो एज शो इन फिगर 7.17 द मैग्निफिकेशन ऑकर इन 2 स्टेज. द image formed by the first lens act as the object for second lens. The axes of both lenses are along the same line. The lenses are fitted inside a metallic tube in such a way that distance between can be changed. अभी थर्ड है टेलीस्कोप. टेलीस्कोप में हम अभी कॉन्वेक्स लेंस का यूज़ किया जाता है. टेलीस्कोप इज़ यूज टू सी डिस्टेंस ऑब्जेक्ट क्लियरली in their magnified form. The telescope used to observe astronomical sources like the stars and planets are called astronomical telescope. Telescope are of 2 types. Refracting telescope, this uses lenses, and refracting telescope, this uses mirror and also lenses. Okay. In both of these the image formed by the objective act as a object for the eyepiece which form the final image. Object lens has large diameter and larger focal length, because of which maximum amount of light coming from the distance object can be collected. Okay. तो देखो, on the other hand the size of the eyepiece is smaller and its focal length is also less. Both the lenses are fitted inside a metallic tube in such a way that the distance between them can be changed. The principal axes of both the lens are along the same straight line, generally using the same object, but different eyepiece, different magnification can be ऑप्टेन। तो देखो इधर रिफ्लेक्टेंट टेलीस्कोप दिया है, ऑब्जेक्टिव लेंस और आई पीस दिया है। ठीक है, ये हम जब वीडियो देखेंगे उसमें एक्सप्लेन हो जाएगा। ऑप्टिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट में भी हम कॉन्वेक्स लेंस का क्या करते यूज़ करते। कॉन्वेक्स लेंस आर यूज्ड इन वेरियस अदर ऑप्टिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट लाइक कैमरा, प्रोजेक्टर, स्पेक्ट्रोग्राफ एक्सेट्रा। तो देखो स्पेक्टेकल में भी हम क्या करेंगे, ये कॉन्वेक्स लेंस का यूज़ करेंगे। कॉन्वेक्स लेंस आर यूज्ड इन स्पेक्टेकल्स फॉर करेक्टिंग द फार साइटनेस करेक्ट करने के लिए भी हम क्या करेंगे, कॉन्वेक्स लेंस का क्या करेंगे, यूज़ करेंगे। ठीक है, टेक ए बर्निंग, यू कैन ट्राई दिस स्टूडेंट्स। टेक ए बर्निंग इंसेंस स्टिक टू in your hands and rotate it fast along a circle. Draw a cage on one side of the cardboard and a bird on the other sides. Hang the cardboard with the help of thread. Twist the thread and leave it. What do you see and why? तो आपको क्या दिखेगा, यह आपको बताना है। ठीक है, तो अभी परसिस्टेंस ऑफ विजन देखने के पहले ये जो यूजेस है, ये डायग्राम है, वो आपको अच्छे से समझ में आने चाहिए, इसलिए आई विल शो यू अ वीडियो।
Uses of concave lenses. 1. Instruments like scanner, CD player, and some medical equipments use laser light. For proper working of these equipments, concave lenses are used. 2. We all know about the peephole in a door. It is a small safety device which helps us to see a large area outside the door. This uses one or more concave lenses. 3. Concave lenses are used in spectacles to correct the eye defect called myopia or nearsightedness. 4. Concave lens is used to spread widely the light produced by a small bulb inside a torch. 5. Instruments like camera, telescope, microscope mainly use convex lenses. To get good quality images, a concave lens is used in front of the eyepiece or inside it. Let us now know the uses of convex lenses. Uses of convex lenses. 1. Convex lenses are used in spectacles to correct the defect of vision called hypermetropia. 2. Convex lenses are used in different optical instruments like camera, projector, spectrometer. 3. Convex lenses are used in a simple microscope, compound microscope, and telescopes. Out of these various instruments, we are now going to study the working of a few instruments in detail. Come, let us start with the simple microscope. A. Simple microscope. We all know that when the object is placed within the focal length of a convex lens, the lens produces a virtual, erect, and magnified image on the same side as that of the object. Simple microscopes work on this property. A convex lens with small focal length produces a virtual, erect, and bigger image of a small-sized object when an object is placed within the focus of the lens. Such a lens is called a simple microscope or magnifying lens. One can get a 20 times larger image of an object using such microscopes. Suppose you are given two convex lenses, one having focal length of 5 centimeters and another having focal length of 40 centimeters. Then which lens will you use as a magnifying lens? Right! The lens with focal length of 5 centimeters should be used as a magnifying lens. Simple microscope or magnifying lenses are used by watchmakers for observing small parts of a watch while cleaning or repairing it. Jewelers use it to test precious gems and to detect any flaws in them. Next, we will study about the compound microscope. B. Compound microscope. Simple microscope is used to observe small-sized objects. However, it cannot produce sufficiently large images of minute or micro objects like blood cells, cells of plants and animals, and minute living beings like bacteria, etc. To study these objects, a compound microscope is used. A compound microscope consists of two convex lenses called the objective and the eyepiece. The objective has a smaller cross-section and smaller focal length. The eyepiece has a bigger cross-section. Its focal length is also larger than that of the objective. These lenses are fitted inside a metallic tube in such a way that the distance between them can be changed. The axes of both lenses are along the same line. As shown here, the magnification occurs in two stages. The image formed by the first lens acts as the object for the second lens. In this way, higher magnification can be obtained by the combined effect of the two lenses. C. Telescope. The telescope is used to see distant objects clearly in their magnified form. The telescopes used to observe astronomical objects such as stars and planets are called astronomical telescopes. Astronomical telescopes are of two types. 1. A refracting telescope. 2. A reflecting telescope. In a refracting telescope, lenses are used, while in a reflecting telescope, a combination of mirrors and lenses is used. In both of these, the image formed by the objective acts as the object for the eyepiece, which forms the final image. The objective has a large diameter and larger focal length, because of which the maximum amount of light coming from the distant object can be collected. On the other hand, the size of the eyepiece is smaller and its focal length is also less. Both the lenses are fitted inside a metallic tube in such a way that the distance between them can be changed. The principal axes of both the lenses are along the same straight line. Generally, by using the same objective but different eyepieces, different magnifications can be obtained. Let us now move to the next.
This was our today's lecture. I hope you understood the uses of concave lens and convex lens. Thank you. Bye bye.